In this video, I will show you how to fix time not syncing for Windows 10 and 11. So this will fix time synchronization fails. So first you have to go to search and then type in run, and then click on run. And then here you need to type in task. Type in this task schd.msc. Then click OK. Then open this, and then open Microsoft, and then Windows. Then here we have to scroll down. We need to find time synchronization. So here's time synchronization. We need to first click on this and then make sure it's enabled. So right now it's enabled. See, it says disabled. So click on run. We need to run it. Then click here, also make sure it's enabled. So it's enabled right now. If it's not enabled for you, make sure to enable it. And then click on run. And then once you have done that, just go and exit from here. Next, we're going to type in services.msc, go to services. Now search for Windows time. And then once you find it, just click on it, double click on it, and then make sure you have to start it. So click on start. If it's not started, just click on start. You can also set this to automatic. So now it's running. See, status is running. Click apply, click OK. Then close this. Go to control panel. Then make sure you set the category to here, view by category. Make sure it's set view by category. Click on clock and region. Click on time, date and time. Then here, make sure you set your time zone. Set it to your correct time zone. So for me, it's going to be this. Click OK. Then go to internet time and then change settings. And then here we're going to switch this. We're going to change it to time.nist.gov. So if you don't see it, then you have to type it manually. Then click on update now. Then click on OK. Then click on OK, and this should fix the time synchronization on your PC. That's pretty much it for the video, and thanks for watching.